Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your cultural exchange with World Endeavors, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the World Endeavors website to find the cultural exchange program that suits you. Create an account by filling out the required information, including your name and email. Check your email for a confirmation link and click to verify your account. Log in to your World Endeavors account using your credentials. Navigate to the Cultural Exchange section on the website. Browse through the various programs offered and select one that interests you. Read through the program details, including eligibility requirements, timelines, and costs. Click on the Apply Now button for your chosen program. Fill out the application form, ensuring that all information is accurate and complete. Prepare any necessary documents, such as a resume, personal statement, or recommendations. Upload your documents as prompted in the application process. Review your application to ensure all sections are filled out correctly. Submit your application and note any confirmation message you receive. Monitor your email for updates or further instructions regarding your application status. If accepted, follow the instructions provided to confirm your participation in the program. Complete any pre-departure requirements, such as orientation sessions or paperwork. Prepare for your cultural exchange experience by researching your destination country and culture. Stay engaged with the World Endeavors community for tips and advice as you prepare for your journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.